However, police won't confirm the...
Hey, screw you too! Oh, wow!
And the big data companies are geniuses at separating you from your data.
Yo, Teresa Moretti seems to have a shot.
If Invite gets its way, no election is safe. Bellwether has the power to influence every voter in the whole damn country.
And Thruster's gonna be the guy covering for him. That's why he's so important.
Ever since we messed with Invite's code, Congressman Thrust has taken a hit in the polls. Invite is freaking out.
Yo, Em, you gotta hear what we recorded, all right? This is Thrust talking to Mary Catskill, Invite's CEO.
Can't you do something? It's all going wrong.
Let's meet in person. I have something that will square this away.
Oh, thank goodness. Let's meet at my penthouse.
Up the security and I'll see you there.
Thanks so much, Mary. We'll keep it all on the QT.
I'll go record what's happening. We'll use it against him.
And I will help you out. Your carriage awaits, sir.
Why, thank you, sir. Something tells me security's gonna be crazy.
I did some research. Whole place has security cams. We can use those to find out what's up.
Security cams to break their security.
You know it.
The vote's one of the few things people got left.
You know Invite's tracking everybody's voting patterns.
Of course. Of course. Why wouldn't they?
This Invite thing drives me nuts. I mean, companies manipulate people all the time, but they're so fucking insidious.
They control all the traffic. They know everything about everybody and how to take advantage of them.
cam controls up on the top of that building.
I'll go take a look-see.
I'm gonna scout the area, see if I can see into the penthouse directly.
Check in on your laptop. You'll want to see what goes down.
Mr. Nemec. Well, I'm surprised to...
Surprised. You look like you shot the bed.
That's hardly fair. Now, you and Miss Catskill made promises
I
to...
never promised you anything, Mark.
Promises are something a 5-year-old says, Mark.
Blackmail, is it?
I know. I wish I'd come up with something better, but... the cliche still works.
This state forgives sexual dalliances far more than it does drug abuse, Mark.
I am a United States congressman.
Long story fucking short, Marky baby. Your numbers are tanking, and we can't afford that. Now it's time for Plan B. You do remember what Plan B is, don't you?
And here are the schematics. If you're interested.
I thought your program would get me reelected.
No, miracles are for losers, Mark. Don't you want to earn this yourself? Now, anything goes wrong, remember, you just keep your mouth shut. Unlike you in those photos. Again, I'm so sorry about those. I'll try better next time.
You see that? Duchan's part of this.
Man, there is a ton of activity going on over there.
Marcus, the building just went off the grid. We can't get in or see inside.
I gotta get over there. There's gotta be some evidence of what's going on.
I'm on top of the next building. You can get to his penthouse from up here. Plenty of cranes for that.
On my way. Yo, French.
Hey, Marcus. How's it going?
Yo, check it out.
Huh?
You can see the whole city from here.
Whole lot of people out there, man. Whole lot of people.
Yeah, getting screwed.
You don't even feel it. Just numb.
It's fucked up. I know it's gonna be a hell of a fight, turning them back into people.
Fucking A, man. Okay, dude. You find the evidence, and I'm on our exit strategy.
Hey, is that the congressman?
No, I do believe that is a helicopter.
Fuck you. They're scrubbing the evidence.
Get us access, Marcus, before it all gets wiped.
I'll get you inside the system. Once I do, you use the botnet to brute force your way in and download everything you can.
But once you start downloading, they'll know you're inside.
It wouldn't be a party if they didn't. And I've got a surprise for them. Yo, Satara, I'm ready to go in. Play me something fresh.
Congressman, just spitballing a few ideas here. The Valley is behind you. All the entrepreneurs love you for the access step you passed, and that is locked up. But we can't forget the recycle heads. You gotta sound the right notes on the environment, or some greeny loonies will peel off the votes on the left. So I say you announce a new Recycle Your Life program.
Still can't get in. Start the upload.
Recycle your life as often as you can. If you get pressed for details, refer folks to me. I'll baffle them with bullshit, no problem.
Verifying target.
static from the privacy loons. They don't get the new economy. It's like the Luddites of old. They are pretty vocal, and we've got rivals trying to position you as a villain on this one. You do not make a speech on this. Making you the image of anti-privacy is not a smart move. Instead, we need to pressure surrogates to spread the word that privacy is just code for undermine the Bay economy. We need a better term for privacy. I suggest shameful secrecy. The case is simple. It's just a plain fact that allowing people to keep shameful secrets puts the job of every tech worker in Northern California at risk.
We don't go easy on cowards. You! Oh! Shut it off! Shut it off! Oh my God! Damn, feedback! Come on!
This doesn't have to end.
Don't let your guard down.
Look, we'll notify the SFPD. They can handle it from here.
Sicarios on the way to rematar these pinche pendejos.
Fine, keep.
Got it. Dispatching our contractor now.
You're in. Do your thing.
You never should have messed with the death sentence, intruder!
Spread out and find him.
Give it up! Alert! We
We have an intruder! Be advised, we have reports of previously identified target near your location. Over. He's not getting away. I see him. Man out, find him. I don't understand. Oh! Hey, don't make me come out there and whoop your ass! Could you be any dumber? If you say so. Oh!
Dude! WTF? I set a whole goddamn zipline up to get you out of there.
Oh, yeah? Well, thanks.
Try to help a guy out. What you get? Jesus.
Marcus, we got their plan B. They're going after the voting machines.
Voting machines? Aren't those pretty protected?
They only protect the data after the vote. With the invite data, they can ignore ballots before a voter pulls a lever.
Josh found out where they keep the machines. He's waiting for you outside Fort Point.
Fort Point? On my way.
Oh, and Marcus, you might want to bring some explosives.
I was hoping you'd say that.